Yeah, once again, I welcome you all to today's SAP S4 HANA and FICO batch number 2 demo session. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Before starting the session, I just want to start with our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Trainings. And we have almost 35.9K subscribers in our YouTube channel. And we have uploaded more than 444 plus videos here. You can check out here. So we have added many different videos here. So we have just you can just see here in the video section, we have added videos on different technologies like Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, Azure, Generative AI, okay, Informatica Power Center, GCP, React.js, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, and many others. And many other many useful videos are available in our YouTube channel. Just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'm just sharing the channel link with you over chat. I'm just sharing the channel link with you. Okay, I have just shared the channel link with you. So using this link, you can just subscribe to our channel and you'll get all our updates. Okay, you'll get all our updates. Yes, so we have a website called razinformatica.com. This is our website and this is our homepage. This is our homepage of our website. If you just scroll down a bit, you will be able to see what are all the courses that we are offering here. You can see all the courses here. So we are offering Generative AI program, React.js, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF program, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, Cybersecurity, Microsoft Power BI, GCP, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. And we are about to start SAP ABAP and 1 second. Yes, so we are about to start this SAP ABAP in the next month. Okay, that is mostly on August end or the September 1st week, we'll be launching this SAP ABAP and SAP CPI as well. So the cloud platform integration. These two courses also, we are going to start very soon. So for more updates like this, just keep browsing our website, razinformatica.com, so that you'll be able to see all our updates here on our webpage. And if you just scroll up, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. Whatever the free live sessions that we are offering right now, so all these sessions you can able to get here the links. Okay, you can see here today's session also, we have given here SAP S4 HANA and FICO 6th August at 7 p.m. In the same way, tomorrow we have Azure data engineering, and day after tomorrow we have Snowflake. In the same way, we have different classes, whatever the different classes are available, all these classes you will be able to see here. Got it? Yes. Apart from these courses, we have many useful things in our website, like interview questions, materials, and internship programs. So these are also we are offering here. Got it? Yes. So to get more about to SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, okay, we need to move to the SAP page from here. From courses section, if you just click on courses, you will be able to see all our courses here. Okay, you can just click on SAP training. You can just click on SAP training. Then you will be into the SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. Okay, you can see here the batch is starting from today, that is the 6th August. 6th August, the new batch is starting from today. And you can just scroll down and you can see what are the technologies taught here, what is the course unique features and course curriculum. The complete information will be available here along with the trainer's profile. So your trainer is Ms.Dipti Garu. So she's having 10 plus years of experience in SAP and she's working as a consultant right now. And she's also delivering the trainings for us. Got it? So this is more about this SAP course and everything. So I just want to give more information about the schedule and everything about this course. Then I'll just hand over the session to our trainer Deepti Garu. From there, she'll hand over. Okay. Yes. So this is our course, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. Okay. And this course duration is 2 months, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday. And the total hours, total duration is 60 hours that we are going to deliver to you, like 45 plus sessions in 2 months. Okay, 45 plus sessions in 2 months that we are going to deliver to you. And the timings are morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. The class timings are morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. Got it? This course duration is 2 months and the fee is 27,000 rupees. Okay. And we are going to deliver like one real-time project in this training with a 3 months server access also. We are going to provide you the 3 months server access also for practice. Okay. So each and every session we are going to give you the recordings as well. Every session recording will be available for you. And the batch is started today. The batch is started today. So like for further details, like we'll be just like connecting at the end of the session. And again, I'll help you with some special discount is also available for you. Okay. There is some special discount is also available. Just stay connected till end of the session. You're going to get the complete details about the program and the best price of the program as well. Got it? Yes. So before hand over the session to Dipti Garu, I just like want all you to share your name and WhatsApp number so that I will be adding you to the SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, like a FICO, like a real-time project WhatsApp group where you can discuss all your training stuff and the openings and about the interview questions and whatever the stuff that you require related to SAP S4 HANA. So you can just get the complete details in this WhatsApp group. Okay. To just get this WhatsApp group link, please share your name and WhatsApp number in our chat. The chat is available for everyone. So you can just like take 1 minute sharp break. I'll take like just 1 minute sharp break. Okay. So, and we'll start the meeting. So meanwhile, please share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat. Okay. We'll just take 1 minute sharp break. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number so that I can help you with the complete WhatsApp group access and today's session recording also. Got it? So these both things I'll be helping you with. So if you are from a different country, I can see the people from a different country as well. If you are from a different country, please drop with your country code as well. If you are from India, that is fine. If you are from different, if you are from a different country, please drop your number with what's with country code. Yes, I can still see people are sharing your WhatsApp numbers here. Yeah, the chart will be open itself. You can keep sharing. You can keep sharing, and I am allowing you to get this unmute access as well. Okay, I am providing you the unmute access also. If you have any questions, you can stop anywhere and you can ask your questions and you can get cleared also. Got it? I'm just like handling the session to Deepti Garu. Deepti Garu, over to you, please. And I'm just like allowing you the unmute access also. Please respond with your mic. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Karthik. Hello all, good evening. My name is Dipti. I am SAP FICO trainer and I have more than 10 plus years of experience and we are going to conduct the training as if we are working on a real-time project. So each and every step that we are going to follow will be in such a way that you will come to know about the real time, that whenever you are doing some kind of a implementation project, then what is exactly configuration or testing or what transaction you have to follow, what are different options that are available. So based on that, project itself is covered as a training part. So that is a real time project and it is step by step we are giving you about information about each and every option, and also we are trying first to explain about the concept and then we try to show the configuration, and you can also do the same configuration in same server so that it will help us to check if you're getting any issue or anything. We are also there to help you out throughout the sessions. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So can you just confirm any one of you whether you can able to see my screen? Is it visible properly?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So we are going to start with the overview of SAP FICO today. So the agenda is first of all about introduction to SAP, then what are different FICO functionalities, what are the new features that are available in S4 HANA, and then we will conduct the question and answer session. So first of all, what SAP is? SAP is a software which is basically, it is a German company. SAP is a software which was launched around in the year 1972 by a German company, and that is located in Wardrobe city of Germany. So they are into this development since last more than 50 years. So basically SAP is a software. The full form of SAP is System Application and Product in Data Processing. SAP is a ERP system. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, in which it allows you to use the same software by for all the departments of a company. So if you are trying to implement SAP in a company which is a manufacturing company, then production department, purchase department, sales department, finance department, HR, all of them, all the departments of a company, they will use SAP same software for all the departments of a company. So ERP system allows you to use the same software. So the platform is same for all the departments of a company. So it gives you easy access for all the transactions or the processes that you have created or done, and it help you to check the report and check the transaction as well. So SAP is considered as one of the ERP system with real-time integrated scenarios. It, as I mentioned, it enable you to process with the end-to-end transaction of the data, and it try to avoid or eliminate the inconsistent between the subsystems. SAP S4 HANA is the latest version of SAP ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning software. It has HANA as a database, and SAP S4 is the front end. So SAP is a front end, and now the back end is also of its own, that is SAP's own database, which is called as HANA as a name of database. In earlier version, SAP used to have Oracle as the database, and front end was ECC. Front end was SAP, so that was ECC version. Now, when we talk about the current latest version, it is HANA, which is a database is also SAP, and front end is also SAP. So this is SAP S4 HANA. These are different modules which are there in SAP. Finance, FI, which deals with accounts department. Sales and distribution deals with sales department. Materials management, MM, that is your purchase department or procure department. Plant maintenance, PM module. Production planning, PP, that is actual shop floor activity production where it is taking place. HCM is usually dealing with the human resource or HR module. Controlling costing department is usually using it. Project system, PS, it is usually used by all the departments, so that you can track the project related activity. And then QM, quality management. So all of these are different modules which are available in SAP S4 HANA. Now, out of that, in SAP FI, these are the topics which we are going to cover. First one is general ledger, leading and non-leading ledger, account receivable, accounts payable, bank accounting, asset accounting, taxes on sales purchase, withholding tax. So these are overall, if you try to consider any kind of accounting software, so usually we have ledgers, customer vendor posting, taxes, cash bank information. Same way, fixed asset related asset accounting. So same way in SAP also we are going to learn one by one about these all the topics. This is the organizational structure of SAP FI. So when we talk about a organizational structure, this is the starting point of your project. Means you have to define it from a scratch. Whenever you are trying to implement a particular software in a company, in such case, when you are trying to implement it, the first step that you have to do is you have to create a company name. So company name with address and registered whatever registered address is there, With that, you need to create the organizational structure. So first we start project always with the FI related organizational structure, and then SD and MM, they start their own structures. Then after that we have general ledger accounting. So it is considered as the main ledger for all other ledgers. The balances from these ledgers are actually maintained in financial statements. So whenever we try to prepare our P&L balance sheet, the actual system that is going to consider the basic balances from where they are getting captured, they are from GL accounts. So these are particular setup which are called as the most important parameter of SAP FI is GL accounting. So GL represents your financial statements. Okay. Then also we try to update the control account, like where we have reconciliation accounts. We are going to learn about reconciliation account means any such type of a GL like sundry debtor, sundry creditor, fixed asset, where you have multiple master data, but one control account is there. Means we represent our customers as debtors. We represent our vendors or suppliers as creditors in balance sheet, right? So those debtor, creditor or fixed asset related accounts, they are called as reconciliation account. Okay. So this is general ledger. So in general ledger, all the transactions are getting recorded from purchase side, sales. We have vendor and customer posting, asset related posting. If you have any HR related posting for salary, wages, apart from that, your regular expenses and income related entry, every entry get recorded in the general ledger accounting. Then the next topic that we are going to cover is accounts receivable. Account receivable deals with the customer related posting. So in account receivable, we have two types of posting. One, wherein we are posting purely FI related JV. JV is journal entry. So you will be posting customer to sales entry in FI itself. That is how we are going to learn, which will be a non-material entry. And second type of entry is where you will be trying to integrate FI module with SD, wherein all the material related, actual material related activities, material related sales, your finished goods stock, cost of goods sold, everything is getting updated in SD module. So we are going to integrate FI module with SD sales and distribution module in such a way that your accounting entry will get posted automatically. So how to do FI and SD integration, that is also we are going to cover about receivable, and also the independent entries from GL. From FI point of view, that is non-material entries. So let's say for example, we are doing some scrap sale, and scrap sale does not have any particular material code. So you are just selling scrap for let's say 15,000. So customer to scrap sale entry without material, if you wish to post, you can post it in FI related particular invoice that you are trying to create. So we try to cover both account receivable related postings which are there from FI point of view and SD as well. And separate reports are available for accessing the customer details such as customer analysis, aging report, individual customer balances. All these reports are available for tracking. Now, when we talk about the account receivable, this is the integrated process, how it look like. So in accounting, we have credit review. Sales in SD, we have a incoming sales order wherein we have to do credit review. When we talk about a goods issue in accounting, there will be no accounting, accounting entry will be posted. For sales order, there is no accounting entry. When we try to post the delivery of material, then your accounting entry will get posted automatically for cost of goods sold to stock of finished goods. And when they are doing billing in SD module, then also it will get updated automatically as customer to sales from FI, from SD. Billing document will be generated and automatically the entry will be posted. Then it will be shown to you as an open item. And that open item, once you do the payment in FI module, then it will get updated as a cleared item. So this is how we can find the integrated account receivable cycle for accounting and SD. Then next topic is accounts payable. Accounts payable is exactly opposite to account receivable. So we are trying to deal with the vendor related postings, vendor or supplier. AP also has independent posting that you can post in FI. And it also has the dependent entries from module wherein your actual purchase of material is taking place. So we try to integrate FI with module for posting the integrated entries. Like whenever you are creating purchase order, there will be no entry. But when we try to create a goods receipt, that is you are receiving a raw material, then system will update the accounting entry automatically for raw material stock. Then invoice receipt, when you are creating the invoice in purchase department or purchase process, then your vendor will get credited automatically with accounting entry, and then you can make the payment to vendor in FI module to that open item by cash, check or bank transfer. So this is the accounts payable related process. So basic entries which are non-material entries, that is, let's say for example we have purchased office stationery and for that you wish to post accounting entry. So such type of entry you can post in FI using this particular setup of FI related invoice, which is a non-material invoice. And if you have to post a entry related to material, then it will come from FI to integration and entry will be posted automatically. So we are going to cover the both the parts, regular FI entry as well as integration of FI with module. Then separate reports are available to access the vendors details such as vendor analysis, individual vendor balances and so on. Then the next part is bank accounting. So when we talk about SAP, in SAP bank account is called as house bank. So bank details of your company's own bank account, it is maintained with house bank. So this subledger allows you to maintain the detailed information related to your bank, such as your bank name, then which branch, the address and name of the branch you are holding account in. Then also you are allowed to create it with account ID as whether in the same bank, if you're holding multiple account like saving account, current account, you can maintain that as well. So considering all these options, we maintain the bank for company related setup, which is called as a house bank. And this house bank allows you to make the payment by check, or you can make the payment by automatic payment program, which is called as APP, for which we do the configuration, and then based on your configuration we can post the entry for through particular transaction called as automatic payment transaction. So through that you can post multiple vendor invoices entry. For multiple vendor we can make the payment together through check printing or bank transfer files can be generated. So bank accounting covers the payment related to check and bank transfer. So this is house bank, in which we have company code, house bank, country and bank key. Bank key is nothing but the branch that you are going to create for your company. Then next comes the important topic, which is called as asset accounting. So asset accounting is the module which deals with the fixed assets of the company. So in SAP, we can configure your fixed assets in such a way that we can have different asset class, that is type of class assets which are there. Based on that, you can create your own assets master data. For that asset master data, you can post the acquisition value, that is purchase of asset. We can post the depreciation. If your asset is getting transferred, you can post transfer entry. If your asset is getting retired after scrapping of asset, or you are selling asset to the customer, then the particular retirement of asset also can be recorded into SAP. So these are different process or transactions that we cover under asset accounting. Various reports which are available in assets related are Asset Explorer, asset account balances. So asset related postings also you can go and check it in SAP. So this is how your integrated asset will look alike. First we have asset classes. Under asset class like building, vehicle, machine, these are main headings. These are called as asset class. Under asset class, we create different asset master data. So let's say we have 10 vehicles, then you will create 10 different asset numbers for those 10 vehicles. So for under each and every different type of asset, your asset master data will be generated. Then those balances will get updated in the GL account, and then it will be represented in your financial statement on asset side as under fixed asset heading. So starting from asset master record till the financial presentation, everything gets covered under asset accounting module. Apart from this, we also cover the taxes on sale purchase. So taxes usually which are related with customers and vendor posting, wherein they are applicable on sales and purchase amount. So those taxes also we cover. Then we also cover the TDS related posting, which is called as withholding tax. So that is also a part of our training. Then in SAP, we have very important concept, which is called as ledger, leading ledger, non-leading ledger. So it allows you to prepare your books of account for the parallel currency, parallel ledger setup. So if you want to represent your books based on different accounting principle like IFRS or GAAP, like that, you can represent them as per the requirement of a company using this functionality of leading and non-leading ledger. So that also we try to cover. So these are different topics which are majorly covering the FI or finance related posting. We are having another part in FI, which is, with FI we also have some topics which are related to CO. CO is controlling. So in our company there are different departments, right? One is FI, that is finance department. Another one is controlling, that is your costing department. So controlling module allows you to do the reporting for management. So this is also called as management accounting. This is purely related for the internal reporting purpose. Finance is called as external reporting because you usually publish your reports outside. But when we talk about the controlling, it is called as management accounting, and it is created for the internal reporting purpose. So under controlling, we cover controlling organizational structure, cost element, cost center, profit center, internal order. So controlling will be treated as the organizational structure starts with controlling area. Then in controlling, we have a controlling area need to be created. Under that, we can have multiple company codes assigned so that you can get the reporting for decision making, and it focuses more on the internal reporting for the purpose of costing. So CO is nothing but your costing department. Controlling module deals with the costing department of a company. So this is the organizational structure, which looks like for like FI org structure. We also have controlling related organizational structure. So under that, we have to assign different company code under controlling area. For that, you can use different cost accounting object, and that it will help you to get the reports. Cost element, it classifies the organization's consumption of production factor within a controlling area. So cost element is nothing but to what you call GL account in SAP FI to post the entry. So to post the entry from FI to CO module, entry always get posted in FI module. But if you want CO reporting, you need to enter some or the other CO parameter object. So to carry the entry from FI to CO module, we need to create the GL itself as a cost element. So cost element allows you to transfer the value from FI to CO module. So these are nothing but the GL accounts that need to be created as a cost element. So might be you have 400 GLs, but out of that only 50 you want to be created for the purpose of costing. Then only those 50 GL need to be created as a cost element. So it will give you the reporting for the purpose of controlling or costing module. Next is cost center. Cost center is the organizational unit that reflects management's oriented structure for the organization for internal purpose to control the cost. So this mainly deals with the overheads. Overheads are nothing but the expenses that you are doing in finance. So if you want to control those are considered as overheads. So from costing point of view, they are overhead. So how to control the overheads? That is what we use cost center for. So this reporting is mainly allowing you to control and do the internal reporting for the purpose of reducing the cost or controlling the cost or expenses. That is what cost center is related with the revenue related posting. So whenever you try the position of a company from profit
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Please
thank you
continue.
for confirming. Okay, so internal order is usually created for purpose of tracking the temporary job, that is make to order scenario for a company, or wherein your company has organized the job fair for 3 days. So if you wish to track expenses related to those 3 days, you can create or track it with internal order. So such type of scenarios in which you have to complete that particular whatever order you have created for that task, you have to complete, and then you can transfer that cost to some other CO object. That is what you can do by tracking it with the internal order. So it gives you the detailed reporting of cost associated with the specific project or activities which are which are temporary activities, and that can be closed after a certain period of time. So it gives you a chance or a way to take the decision about that particular activity. And you can also, for costing, you can always do the plan versus actual comparison. So by looking at that report, management can decide if they want to take some decisions regarding it, then they can decide it based on the plan versus actual comparison of the report. So these are controlling related topic. Now, what are the new features which SAP has given in HANA? It gives us the real-time reporting for accessing the management by updating the real-time data. So it helped the management to take the decision quickly based on this real-time analytics. Faster processing. The in-memory database of S4 HANA allows faster processing of the data. So from front point of view, or from our point of view, when we talk about the functional module, like finance is a functional module, we will not come to know. But whoever is working for database, they will come to know that data processing has become faster in S4 HANA as compared to ECC, because HANA, the database itself, is of SAP. So now the database has started processing faster. Modern user interface such as Fiori applications are given by SAP. So you can actually access the page of Fiori, and it gives you the access for end user transaction as well as few reports that you can check by using. And also it allows you to prepare the readily available pie diagram, bar graphs. All these features are readily available in Fiori interface. Fiori is a front end. Backend is server, which is same as SAP that you are going to follow, but Fiori is a server, and it can be it can be shown or accessed with a web link or URL. So this Fiori app allows you to also access the apps through your mobile. So we are nowadays used to with digital technology which is there, that is supported by this new feature of S4 HANA, which was not there earlier in ECC. Now SAP gives us the universal journal table. So in earlier version, we used to have different table wherein our data was getting stored. Now also these tables are available, but SAP has provided us with one AC Doka, which is a single table in which all the data related to finance is getting updated. So it gives you faster reporting, real-time analysis, and we get the report writing is now become very easy because of this AC Doka table. Okay, so this is called as Universal Journal Table. SAP also offers us best practices. So we can have some company codes which are provided, and scenarios also which are provided by SAP as the best practices. So you can the system is ready to use. So you can check those processes, and they are readily, the standard processes of course, but they are readily available to use. So SAP provide us with the standard company configuration. So if you wish to copy that particular setup, you can copy, and readily you can use those particular best practices scenarios which are offered by SAP. So these are new features which are launched by SAP with the HANA version. Okay. So this is what overview of SAP FICO the curriculum and course is. So if you have any questions or queries, then please let me know.
Hello. Hi, madam.
Yes. Yeah, hi.
Hi, this is Apurva. I have some doubts.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, actually, I'm working as now in a tax and accounting department.
Okay.
I'm looking into I'm using the software of SAP where
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to do the posting, pass the entries,
Okay.
all those things. If I take a course as a consultant, it will be helpful for me or a end user, ma'am.
If you take a consultant course, end user will allow you only to learn about the transactions that you are processing currently. Okay.
Okay.
But if you go ahead with the consulting project, consulting related training, which is the current training that we are talking about,
Yeah.
it will currently might be you can get experience for few months or few years here, and then by taking the consultancy course and also by doing the actual job into SAP, it will give you the real time idea. So you can then focus on SAP as a career and you can start working as SAP consultant. So instead of end user, if you're working as SAP consultant, you have more job opportunities.
Okay. If I wanted to know if I take the course as a consultant, will I be able to learn the as a end user also?
Yes,
Like
yes.
do uh,
Consulting course consists of both. How
okay.
to do the configuration as well as the end user part. Because see, as a
Yeah.
consultant, when you are working, we have to understand the requirement of a user, right? And then we
Okay.
have to deliver them the system which they are going to use. So user is not allowed, knowing about the configuration. They will be knowing about the end user part. So we need to give them training. We also need to do the testing of the transaction that you are going to provide them. So consultant training is always consisting of both part, configuration as well as end user training.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Ma'am.
it will automatically get covered for both. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubt, anyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have mentioned in the course M to MM also. So, are you going to cover MM full part of MM or only
No,
the
this is FICO training. We are going to cover like FI related integration, FI and integration. Is a
so
separate course. This is
MM
FICO.
is different module?
Yes, different module. Materials management is a different module, like finance.
Okay.
In company we have different department, no? Purchase
Okay.
department, sales department, finance department. Same way we have modules.
So
So
just for
for
the
purchase we have module, which
okay.
will be covering all the details related to purchase activity.
Okay. Just for the requirement of S4 HANA.
Sorry?
So you are going to cover only required part of MM for S4 HANA, right?
Required part means FI related integration, wherein
Okay.
the postings will get posted automatically. That
Okay.
part we cover with FI and integration.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Anyone?
Ma'am, if I want to
Good
take
evening, madam.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. This is Chitu calling from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
So I have around 19 years of experience in accounts and finance. So whereas if I learn this FICO module in SAP, so basically my doubt is if, whatever experience I had around 19, so will it be as a SAP consultant, will this experience will be considered, or I have to start my career as a fresher?
What experience you have in SAP? Can you little bit tell me about it?
Not in SAP, madam. As an end user, I had a experience in accounts.
In accounts?
While doing the accounting postings and
Okay.
all,
So you
I
have
have
used
a
SAP as a software as a end user when you are working for accounts
Yes.
department, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. As you have such a good experience actually. So if you complete this course, see, when you're starting with the project or something, the actual what experience you already have related to accounting. So seniority wise, actually, you will get a good start for SAP. Because it's not that, see, whenever you are a fresher, like you have just college passed out and you are just have 1 or 2 years experience, correct? Then company knows that the scenario wise or process wise you are not clear with accounting, so they cannot hand over you with the particular responsibility in such a way that you can handle project or you can work on it. But with such a great experience of yours in accounting, it will really be helpful for company as well to understand the requirement, and also it will give you a good opportunity to work as a consultant. Even though you will be treated as fresher for SAP consulting role, still the experience and knowledge that you have, you can convert that knowledge into it in such a way that what we can say, you are already experienced for SAP consulting as well. Got it? So based on current processes that you follow, you can prepare yourself in such a way that you can present that you are already knowing many things about consulting. So it will give you good chance to get a job.
Yeah, I understand, madam. Thing is that so the company will consider me as a fresher. And definitely, do they need the experienced candidates?
No, for your case,
That's
you will
my
not
doubt.
just be treated as a fresher. You will be considered as experienced one.
Even though I don't have a consultant experience in SAP.
Yes, because your knowledge is, I mean, whatever knowledge you got about the number of years,
Accounts.
based on that accounting knowledge, you will be treated. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. I just want to take a moment to share the screen. Just a second, please. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll just show you how our first batch students have given the feedback about our trainer and everything. You can just check it out. So yesterday, we have just posted about the reviews and everything. So this is a group, okay? This is a first batch group, okay? We have almost done 42 classes in the first batch. After 42 classes, we have just asked about the reviews. You can check out here how the reviews are there from students. If you want, you can take a screenshot as well, and you can just check out the things like how we have done with the first batch and how the people are feeling. You can just take out these things, and you can have a look, and you can ask your questions if you have any also.
Hello,
Yes, Jayant.
sir. Can I talk about fees later or no?
Sorry.
About fees, sir. Or technology.
Jayant, you can just give me a call personally, and we can discuss on this. No, not a
Okay.
problem.
And coming to course, ఇప్పుడు 1 year గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది కదా సార్, అది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లెక్క చేస్తారా లేకపోతే ట్రైనింగ్
That's
కిందకేనా?
not a problem. That's not a problem. Okay, so 1 year gap is not a problem for anyone. Okay, so you can say that you are doing some certification, or you have taken a break, or regarding your health, or related to your health or something else. You can say some reasons like this, and you can showcase the gap itself, and you can proceed. Not a problem.
అండ్ లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఇవి కన్నా చూపిస్తున్నారు కదా సార్?
Yes, yes. We do take the projects in this program as well. So I hope you have seen the reviews about the first batch, and this batch is starting from today. Today is just introduction class that we are having now. Okay, so like once after the session, you can just like proceed for your registrations. Okay, so to proceed for the registration, you can utilize our website as well. Okay, so if you are from a different country, you can just, I'll just like show you how it will be. 1 second. Okay, you can see here sign up with Google, right? You can just click on sign up with Google, and again you can just click on sign in with Google. Okay, sign in with Google. So whatever the account, I mean, I want to enroll with this account, Info Karthik one. Okay, you can just like select your account, like whatever the Gmail ID that you want to log in with Raj Cloud Technologies. Once I click on login, so I can see students option now. Okay, so once I log in only, I can see students option. So before logging in, you cannot see the students option here. Just go to the courses, click on SAP training, click on SAP training, click on SAP training, and you can just scroll down. You can click here, pay and enroll now. You can just click on pay and enroll now. Once you click on pay and enroll now here, it will ask you some basic information like your name, country, state, and your mobile number. There are two payment modes here. One is Indian credit or debit cards, and another one is international credit or debit cards. If you are from India, if you are using Indian bank account, you can use this. If you are using international bank account, you can use this, and your course fee will be 26,999. Okay, so this will be your course price. But if you enroll today, you are going to get some discount as well. That is, the actual price for SAP S4 HANA and FICO training is 26,999. Okay, but if you enroll today, you are going to get a discount of 2,000 rupees. As my referral, you will be getting this 2,000 rupees as the discount now, and your course price will be just 24,999. This will be your course price. That too, if you enroll today, not for every day, not for every day the same offer will be available. So only today this offer is available, 24,999. Okay, and all the payment modes are available. No cost EMI is available. Okay, so if you want to pay through credit card also, yes, the no cost EMI is also available with us. All the payment modes are accepted. Phone Pay, GPay, like UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card, Remitly. Okay, so PayPal, and every transaction mode is available. International cards, everything is accepted. So no need to worry about that. And you can get the installments as well. Okay, so if you want to go through the installments also, yes, you can go through the installments as well. Okay, and so all these are possible with us. Okay, not a problem. For registrations, you can contact us on these two numbers. This is our registered WhatsApp and calling numbers for our institute. That is 810-529-6858 and 63616-38108. These two are the registered WhatsApp and calling numbers to us. You can WhatsApp us on this number, or you can give a call also. If you want to enroll today, you can use this UPI details. UPI details like will be changing on daily basis. Okay, on daily basis we'll be changing the UPI details. For today, this is our UPI. You can make the payment here and you can update us. Got it? So you can use this payment mode and you can make the payment to us. Any questions from anyone about the reviews, about the process, or about the training? So do you have any questions more? Let me know if you have any.
Hi, sir. I have a doubt.
Please.
Sir, the recording session will be valid till what duration, sir?
It is lifetime. It is lifetime.
Okay.
I'll just like show you how the first batch recording that we have given for the previous batch students. You can just like have a look so that you will get some idea on this. Okay, so you can access the recordings in this page. You can just go to the students, click on enroll courses. Enroll courses is nothing but the course that you have taken. As I am the admin, I have all courses access here. You can see the IICS, Snowflake, and many other things. I'll just like show you about the SAP batch 1. As I am the admin, I'll be having all these things. But for you, you can only see only this course, SAP S4 HANA and FICO. Only this course you can see in your enrolled courses. Once you click on the course, okay, you can see here like continue learning. You can click on continue learning here. Okay, left side you can see, right? Session 1 to 10. Session 1 to 10. Okay, so 11 to 20 and 21 to 30 and 31 to 40, 41 to 45. Okay, so in this way, we will be uploading all the lectures to you. You can see we have renamed clearly for your idea as well. Okay, so training introduction and SAP introduction, system landscape. Okay, so methodological, like all the topic names. Okay, you can check out all the topic names here. And if you want to watch the recordings, you can just click on the video here. Once you click on the video, right side, you will be able to see the video file. Okay, so this is our video. If you just click on play, you can just check here. Okay, so this is how you are going to get the, this is how you, sorry for that, just a second please. Okay, so this is how like you can able to see the recording, and below the video itself, for every session below the video itself, you can see the download button. You can just click on download here. So whatever the files that you required for this particular session, you can download. You can download this one. Okay, you have option to download. Okay, you have option to download, but here you need to like watch the video. It's a video you need to watch in the website itself. There is no chance to download the video. Okay, you cannot download this video. You can download the material only. Got it?
So from when the session will be like classes will be starting, sir?
The first 2 weeks we will be having alternative days. The first 2 weeks we will be having alternative days. After 2 weeks, we'll be going with continuous classes Monday to Friday. Why the first 2 weeks are alternative means, so the people you need to like cope up. Okay, so few people will be starting very slow. Like once after 3 to 4 classes, you will be in some good flow. At that time, we can start giving 5 classes in a week also. So that like you'll be getting only weekends to practice. Yes, that will be fine. But initially, the first 2 weeks, this is most important time. Why? Because the people will be joining, right? So even you need to create accounts and you need to practice well. You need to get the server access. Okay, some theoretical classes will be there initially. So to get all these things, you just need some time. So for every session, we are going to give you 1 day for the practice. Okay, after that, after 2 weeks, you will be having the continuous lectures. Okay, today is Wednesday. Next session will be on Friday. Okay, the other next session will be on Monday. Again Wednesday, again Friday. From 18th, it will be continuous classes, Monday to Friday. Got it? This is how we schedule your plan. Okay, so please plan accordingly. And I'll just give you a schedule. Okay, don't worry. Whoever paid already, you will get the schedule. No need to worry about that. And I just like want to say you very clearly that we will be taking only 10 people per batch. Okay, we will be taking only 10 people per batch, not more than that. Okay, because the session will be very interactive, and early in the morning you will be having session right like 7 to 8:30 p.m. So we don't want to make a huge crowd at this batch. So we are just taking only 10 enrollments. The registrations are open from yesterday itself. Okay, from yesterday itself the registrations are open. Okay, so we have left with 7 more slots. 3 people got enrolled already. 7 more slots are left. If you people can enroll as early as possible, you can get your slot. Even you can see the first batch as well. We don't have much people in the group. Okay, you can see the group strength here, only 14 members. In the 14, the 4 members are admins. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so we will be taking only 10 people. 10 people per batch, that's it. So plan accordingly. So get your enrollments done so that you can see even in the first 2 weeks, you will be having alternative days, right? Even these alternative days, what we do is we are going to provide you the previous batch first 10 classes recordings also. Okay, previous batch first 10 classes recordings also, so that like what you can get benefit here. So you can watch these previous class recordings and you can practice as well. And like whatever tomorrow session is going to be there, you can listen today itself and you can get some knowledge. Suppose by watching tomorrow session, I got like 30 to 40% knowledge in the video. Again, when I'm attending the live session, it will be like a very clear for me. Okay, so I can raise the questions like wherever I have doubts, and it will be very clear for me to understand as well. Okay, this is how it will help for you. So you can plan accordingly for your registrations. Don't worry. So like I hope like I can see one message here. So do we have installments? Yes, you can pay the fee in installments also. Don't worry about it. Okay. So for server access, so there will be extra charges like 1500 rupees will be the extra charges for the server access. Why? Because so generally the people will take 1000 rupees per month. Okay, but here like we are offering, we'll be paying a half amount from our end. Okay, remaining half amount like we're expecting from the students end, so that you can get the server access for the 3 months by just paying 1500 rupees. By just paying 1500 rupees, you can get the server access. Got it? Any questions from anyone still? Yeah, to get today's session recording and everything, just drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat so that we can help you with today's session recording also. Clear? Any questions still? Any questions from anyone? Deepti, there is a question from Vineet. What about global certification?
Yeah,
Can you
I have seen that. Yeah, for global certification, once you complete the course, then you can apply for the global certification. So it is the authorized, it is authorized certification from SAP, so it will help you. But it is not compulsory that while for getting the job, you should be the certified one. First, you can complete the course, try to get the job. You can get the job without certification as well. And then later also you can decide the one which is there, the latest one, that certification you can go ahead. And that is the standard. I mean, worldwide, it's a global certification, as the name you mentioned, that it is valid for all the countries and it is provided to you by directly SAP. We need to appear for the exam. So exam will be of 80 marks. You need to complete that exam online, and it will have 100 marks. Negative marking is not there, but it has multiple choice questions. So might be 3 answers are correct, 1 answer is correct. So you need to clear that, and out of 80 with 100 marks, if the exam is there, you need to pass with 65%. Then you get it as a certified one. So I hope, Vinith, it is clear.
Still any questions from anyone, please? If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask, or else you can text me as well in the chat so that like we'll take up your question. Any questions from anyone?
Hi, sir. I have a doubt.
Yeah, one by one, please.
Yeah, after completing the course, will be getting the job assistant?
Yes, we do provide the job assistance from our end. Okay, so we have alumni network with 8,500 plus people from last 4.5 years. Okay, so we will be helping you with like where the opportunities are available right now, how to apply for that. So if there is any particular referrals, yes, we'll be sharing you the referrals as well. All these things will be providing from our end. No need to worry about that. See, like if you are proactive in the batch, if you are doing the classes consistently, okay, definitely it will be very easy. As I said, we will be taking only 10 candidates, not more than that. So we can concentrate more on your job assistance as well, resume preparation as well. Okay, and everything will take care of it. No need to worry about that.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah. So I think someone, Nasima, like you were asking, right? Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, like for learning SAP HANA, do we need like any accounts background and all? Like actually, I'm previously from database side. So is it necessary to know the accountings and TDS and all?
Yeah, accounting knowledge is required, Narsia, right? Because it's a FICO module. But don't worry, even if you don't have, I will share the basic. I mean, we don't need in detail accounting for all the standard, but we need basic of accounting. That is rules of accounting, general ledger, ledger entry, journal entry, and under which heading of balance sheet, P&L, which account. So if you try to go with those 3-4 topics, that also is going to help you to understand. And when we try actually to go through the training, I actually cover all the accounting entries. So it will become easy for you to understand those entries as well. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Whatever the course we start here, we will be starting with a complete scratch. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so even if you don't have the basic knowledge also, yes, we will try to help you from our end. So you can just like if you just like be consistent in the program, if you just give your 100% in the program, that is more than enough to get into the jobs. Don't worry about it.
Is there any other question from anyone? Someone was asking, I'm fresher to SAP, Vaishnavi. I'm fresher to SAP. I mean, she's not having any knowledge about SAP. Yes, Vaishnavi, there is no problem. Even if you don't have any knowledge of FICO or SAP, we are going to start it here from scratch itself. Okay, so you can go through the process in such a way that even if you don't know anything about SAP, that's fine. We cover it from scratch.
Ma'am, hi ma'am, I'm Jayant. I'm from
Yeah.
Hyderabad.
Yes, hi, Jen.
Yes, ma'am. As I said, I've completed my MBA in finance, but
Yes.
I've taken 1 year gap and also don't know how to start the career in accounts. So
Okay.
through this course, how it helped me, ma'am? I mean, as
Yeah,
ex.
1 year gap is, I mean, don't worry. First of all, remove this from your mind that 1 year gap is going to affect a lot for your career. Please don't worry about it. That gap you can show that I was learning SAP or learning whatever you have shown as a gap, or if there is a gap till the time you are getting actually with what we can say, you're getting the knowledge of SAP and you are trying to prepare yourself. So you can show that gap that you are doing or undergoing with the training process. Okay, and once you complete the particular training, then after that, once you prepare yourself, you can start applying for the job. So you can get the job in SAP as a fresher and you can start your career in accounting from SAP point of view. So there is no need to worry. You can show the gap as course you are doing and you are trying to study about it. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any other query or any question if you have?
Hi, this is Deepti. Are you providing the course in SAP S4 HANA Cloud or just
No,
in
this
SAP?
is not cloud. This is on-premise server.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then one more question. Are you tie up with any companies or are you providing any placements after the course?
Yes, Deepti, as I said you, okay, we don't tie up with any companies, okay, because we are not trying as a freshers, right? If you are trying as a freshers, yes, I can help you with some references as well. Okay, as we are trying with experiences, so no company will take the people from institute, okay, for experienced candidates, right? So if you already experienced it, why you will be in the institute first of all, correct? So that is the reason why we don't have any tie-ups for experienced candidates. For experienced candidates, we'll try to provide the referrals, and there are many opportunities right now in the market. Okay, if you just like keep doing your work, if you just like complete your course completely with 100% efforts, that is more than enough. Surely, like you can find out many opportunities in the market. If not, also don't worry about it. So we have the referrals as well. Like as I said, there are like 8,500 plus people from Raj Cloud Technologies got placed in the previous, like from last 4.5 years. Okay, whatever the community we have. So from there, like if there is any referrals from their companies, yes, we'll be sharing with you. Not a problem for that.
Okay. And I have one more question. I have nearly 6 years experience as a ABAP and OData developer. If I shift to FICO, will it be fine for my career, or what suggestion will you give?
Yes, definitely it will help you, Dipti, because you will be able to work as a techno-functional consultant. Correct? You already are aware of
Yeah.
ABAP, you already are aware about the programming. If you gain the knowledge in FICO, you will be able to work for your project as a techno-functional consultant. So it will give you more chance, a unique opportunity to work in a project.
Yeah, but as a developer, we don't need FICO completely. We just have FICO functional knowledge. It will be enough for developers, right?
See, if you
Like
wish to,
just
it is up to you. If you wish to work and continue only as a ABAP, then this FICO knowledge will be helpful for you from programming point of view to work it. But in project, if you're working as a project and if you're working as a consultant, and if you already have the knowledge from FI also, you can work for techno-functional module, right? So you can work for FI as well as you can work for ABAP. So it gives you a unique opportunity, the more chances of job as a unique opportunity.
okay. If I complete this course with you, then will they consider FICO as a 6 years experience or as a fresher in
No,
FICO?
of course, FICO will not be considered as 6 years, right? Because the experience that you're showing all about is your ABAP experience. In ABAP, if you have worked for some of the project, now you can, might be after getting this knowledge, you can convert that particular experience into FI as well, right? I mean, wherever you have done the development related to finance in your career, that part you can show that, okay, I have worked for this part also, and then might be you can show some experience related to FI as well, because already you are in the field, you can try to show that ABAP with FI experience, so it will give you more chance to get the job in FI. But full
Yes.
6 years are not going to be considered. That is for sure.
Okay. If I completely shifted to FICO consultant after this course, then how much experience will they consider?
No. See, SAP experience, they will consider 6 years, right? So while applying for the job, you can apply like I have work experience with 6 years in SAP. For FICO, I am new. So the
No,
project.
I am not telling that. If I completely shifted to FICO by taking training from you, then how will you refer for how many experience?
Experience, see, when you talk about the SAP, you need to show SAP as 6 years experience, correct? Because you already have. That you experience is,
That
it
thing
is,
you ignore because I am completely shifting to FICO, right? Then
even if you are
I will
shifting to
not have
FICO,
any
are
FICO.
you not going to show the experience for 6 years? You have to show that, right? Because otherwise it will be a gap, no, in your career for 6 years. So you have to show that, right?
Yeah, but they will not consider FICO as 6 years, right? If I
FICO 6
shifted
years, no. FICO 6
completely
years, they
to
will not consider. For finance, you will be the fresher one. But SAP, as
yeah.
you are already aware of ABAP as a module, it is going to get, see, you are considering yourself that I am shifting to SAP as a fresher. But for a company who already know that you have ABAP experience and still additionally you have FICO experience, I mean FICO knowledge, so it will be the addition for a company. So even if you think that you are fresher for FICO, of course you are FICO fresher, but you already have a knowledge, you know how SAP works, how different module works, right? So that knowledge is going to be helpful for a company. So even if you are fresh to SAP FICO module, still your 6 year experience will be considered. And for FICO, when you are going to work, you are not only getting job opportunity as FICO consultant, you will get opportunity to work in a project as techno functional consultant. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
And there is an
Okay.
alternative for you as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to showcase like any experience related to FICO also, yes, you can. Like you can showcase like as per your confidence. If you are good with the tool and everything, if you want to showcase like last 2 years or last 3 years, yes, you can showcase, and you can put some project in your resume, and you can say that like overall experience is 6 years in SAP, and coming to FICO, like last 2 years I'm working on so and so project. This is what the project I have done in the last 2 years, and I'm just like switching. I'm just switching the company right now due to my growth. In this way also you can try.
Means if I want to completely shift to only FICO consultant, after your
Yes.
training, I will be considered only as a fresher, right?
No. What I'm trying to say is, okay, not only as a fresher, you can try as a fresher as well, or else you can showcase your relevant experience like a 3 to 4 years also. That means 3 to 4 years, like a FICO consultant also you can showcase. But the thing here is, it depends on your confidence. Like if you are good with the complete tool, so now at the end of the program, yes, I can clear 3 years experience of 3 years experience interview also. If you know, if you are good with the 3 years experience questions as well, then you can showcase that out of 6 years, 3 years I worked into FICO, and total SAP experience is 6 years. In this way also you can showcase.
Means will you provide all the real-time related projects?
Yeah, that's what.
Also
See,
in the training
you
for
not try.
3 to 4
Yeah.
years experience?
Yes, this training is not
Training.
only for the freshers, even the people who is having a career gap. Suppose if a student is having a career gap of 4 years, okay, now they want to just like restart their career in IT. Okay, so after taking this training, they have planned it for showcase the last 2 to 3 years experience, and they wanted to try as a FICO consultant, FICO consultant. Yes, they can. You are not going to
But
try
you
as a
need to provide projects like real-time
yes
projects
in
for
your
3 to
resume.
4 years experience, right?
Yes, correct,
For if
correct.
I want to try for 3 to 4 years experience as a FICO consultant, then I
You
have
need
to keep
projects.
real-time projects in resume for 3 years or
True.
4 years.
Yes, we will help you with that projects and everything. Don't worry.
Okay, means will you make to do the projects for
We
3
will
to 4
prepare the
years,
projects
right?
for you. Not a problem. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So still anyone having any questions, please? If yes, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Okay. So no need to worry about that. Or if you're unable to unmute, you can just like text in the chat as well. Okay. So that like we can take up your question.
So 10 videos of previous classes will be shared today.